आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is our question. Let me explain it to you. Arrange the following groups of substances in the order of the property indicated against each group. The first part says that ammonia, phosphine, NH3, PH3, these are the hydrides of group 15 basically. So we will arrange them in this order. Ammonia, then we are having PH3, then we have arsenic hydride, then we have antimony hydride, and finally we also have bismuth hydride. That is not in the question, but let's understand it as well. So these all are the group 15 hydrides. As we are going down in the group 15, then what happens between these units? The van der Waals forces of attractions keeps on increasing. Okay, van der Waals force of attractions increases on going top to bottom in the hydrides over here. So because of this increase in the van der Waals forces, the boiling point of the group 15 hydrides increases, which leads to the increase in boiling point of hydrides also increases on going down the group. Okay, so what would be the arrangement now? First of all, so the correct arrangement, bismuth is although not given in the question, so we will avoid that. We will start writing from antimony, otherwise bismuth can be written before it. Okay, that would be having the maximum basically boiling point. Okay, then followed by ammonia, then we will be having ASH3, then finally PH3. Okay, let's write this also for the concept understanding. Now what happens here, the order should be not in this way, because ammonia should be having the least boiling point according to the concept. But why we are keeping it in between the order? Because in ammonia nitrogen is small in size and there is a lot of electronegativity difference between nitrogen and the hydrogen atoms, because of which hydrogen bonding takes place in the case of ammonia, right? So we have to break these hydrogen bonds. So boiling point increases unexceptionally. So this is the final order that we would be getting. Okay, so here we can arrange them in this way, like this: SbH3 followed by ammonia, then we will be having ASH3 and finally PH3. This is the correct order. Okay, the second part of the question says that oxygen, sulfur, selenium, we have to increase them. This is Te, that is tellurium, in increasing order of electron gain enthalpy with the negative sign. So we know electron gain enthalpy is the energy released when an extra electron has been added to an isolated atom. So what is the correct order over here? Sulfur, selenium, tellurium, then oxygen here. So what happens? Electron gain enthalpy decreases on going down the group, right? So this will be the correct order. But now here also we have an exception, that oxygen should be having the highest electron gain enthalpy with the negative sign, but it is having the least. Now what is the reason? Because oxygen is having a small size. Okay, so because of small size, the repulsion already is very high. Electron repulsions decreases its electron gain enthalpy. So that is why it would be having the least to avoid those repulsions. So this is the correct order. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।